Welcome everyone, my name is Murrell and today's talk is about Wealth Management CRM. That is the key things that will make CRM work best for financial advisors, wealth managers and others in the financial services industry. First off, let me introduce the team that has brought all this information to you. My company, Dominic Systems, has partnered with another CRM consulting and development company, eSharp Technologies, to create a Wealth Management CRM developed on the Microsoft Dynamics CRM platform. In particular, Patrick Law and Alan Diesel of eSharp bring decades of experience developing and implementing CRM systems for the financial services industry. So what are we going to cover today? Our agenda is simple. Today we want to focus on just 3 key areas where CRM can be leveraged specifically to help wealth management. Those areas are: number 1, the concept of households and the management of complex relationships between clients, advisors, third parties, assets under management, and so forth. Number 2, providing holistic service. By this we mean the management and tracking of a variety of financial products or assets, often including those that are not managed directly by you or your firm. To do this, you need a CRM system that is flexible enough to handle all sorts of different information. Number 3, gaining insight. It is not just enough to track all this information. You need to be able to analyze and retrieve it quickly and easily. We talk here about the ideal of everything on one page. So without further ado, let's look at households. I think most advisors and others in the industry would agree that one of the most important aspects of maintaining and developing a healthy financial services or wealth management business is managing relationships. With wealth management, however, that means more than just the run-of-the-mill relationship management in customer relationship management. In particular, wealth managers look at groups of connected individuals, often referred to as households. A household brings up the image of a family, and that is often what it is used for. However, it can also represent an investment group, partnership, or other grouping of connected individuals. Another aspect often overlooked in wealth management or financial services solutions is that a particular individual can be a member of many different households. John Lee, for example, might have his own immediate household with his wife June and their kids, but he might also be a member of his parents' household or have joint investments with his siblings in yet another household. Now let's take a look at how the Wealth Management CRM system manages households. Here you see the Wealth Management CRM menu on the left, and you will see there are a few extra items there. We are looking at the households entity. In our demo, you will see a few sample households. We will take the Lawson family household as our example. Total combined value of their assets is $155,001. With a single click, we can take a closer look at John Lawson and see that he has 3 financial products under his name. We actually allow for split or percentage ownership, but for this demo, we will just work with the line of credit, which is 100% in John's name. With one more click, we can open the financial record for the line of credit, or any of John's financial products, and review or update the details. In this case, let's say that John has put $10,000 more on the line, raising it to $30,000. I can return back up the tree to the household, John, and so forth. And as I go back up, you can see that eSharp calculated fields routine has updated the value at each level. You refresh, you'll see that the total value of assets for the Lawson family has now dropped to $145,000, $145,001. The eSharp calculated fields utility is included in the Wealth Management CRM system, but is also available separately to calculate whatever totals, roll-ups, and so forth you desire. Just to recap why households are important, let's look at the benefits. By managing the household as a whole, you increase your retention rate with respect to all the household members. You provide better service by considering the household as a group, and thus deliver better advice by taking into account factors that affect the group, such as taxes, inheritance, and so forth. By managing the entire household, you also leverage the relationship to bring on future clients through familial and other relationships. Moving on to our second area, Let's look at further enhancing the service we provide to our clients. We have called this an holistic approach. By that we mean looking at the big picture. Considering households as a whole rather than as a collection of individuals is part of the holistic approach. But an equally important part is tracking all the financial aspects of each individual. For example, we want to track assets and liabilities that are not managed directly. We also want to monitor all the different kinds of financial products that each client might have. The problem is that the details of different types are quite different. Rather than creating multiple separate buckets into which we put each different type of financial product, the Wealth Management CRM system tracks all financial products in one place and adapts to the differing needs of each type. This is perhaps easiest to explain by way of examples. Let's go and add a new financial product for John Lawson. As you can see, when we first add a financial product, the screen contains very few details. Once we select the type of financial product, it adapts on the fly to prompt us for the appropriate details. If we select investment, for example, we see details such as, is it a registered investment? If we select life insurance, we see premium and beneficiaries. It is important to note that you can change the details that are available for each different type of financial product and even add your own financial product types. What does all this mean to you and your firm? Firstly, it allows you to provide better service with less effort, which is always a good way to retain existing clients and add new ones. It also allows you to manage your clients' information in one place, reducing the cost of administration and the time it takes to review and analyze your client data. Last but not least, let's talk about insight. The ability to quickly and accurately get the whole picture is essential. Many systems will record all the data you need, but will they present it back to you in the most efficient way? The Wealth Management CRM system has been designed to, wherever possible, give you everything you need all on one page. Wealth management can be very complex. As you can see by this diagram, there are many and complex relationships. Recording all this information, as we have discussed earlier, is important. Equally important, however, is the ability to visualize the information in a clear and concise fashion. We want to take the spaghetti and turn it into this kind of clean representation. Let us take a look at how that works in practice. To begin with, let's go back to the Lawson family. You see here that there are a number of financial products that the members of the family own or are otherwise connected to. When we look at the household, we see all that information on one screen. No need to drill down into each household member. You can even jump right from the household directly to see the details of any of their financial products. This is accomplished with special subgrids designed and developed specifically for the Wealth Management CRM system. Similarly, all the details of a contact are combined into a single screen, even if they include shared assets and other complex relationships. In addition, when managing many clients, as we all do, it is important to get timely and accurate information on how we are performing and what is the most important task to tackle next. We use the Microsoft Dynamics CRM dashboard capabilities to provide quick visual insight into your client base, keeping you on top of things all the time. Insight not only makes your daily tasks easier, once again it also improves the level of service you can provide to your clients without extra effort. It also helps you identify key opportunities for you and for your clients, in both cases improving the health of your business. That's all we have for you today. I am sure many of you have questions, which we will be more than happy to answer. You can reach us via many means as shown here. Thank you for your time and attention, and here's hoping all of you manage to leverage CRM to grow your business.